Hello? 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 I want to get started, please. Questions on homework? Okay. Okay, what do you mean to do? Sorry, what was that? Number 30 on page. Okay. Okay, so people, listen up. Eric, I'm doing number 30 on page 211, okay? So you guys need to be quiet. I have a new section to teach as well. Okay, so 211 and number 30. Okay, what's it asking you to do? Use the change of base formula and a graphing. I thought we did a problem like this in class. But you are smoking with your chart people. Okay, Elim, Kylie. Okay, so you can't graph this on your calculator without doing change of base. So you know that this is the same thing as if I were to do ln of x over 2 divided by ln of half. Okay, from the change of base formula. So then you just plug and chug. What's the big deal? Well, do you have your calculator there so you can do what I'm trying to do? So I'm going to go ln x divided by 2, the whole thing divided by ln of 1/2. Let's go to Zoom Standard, okay, and see what happens with it. So that's what the graph is looking like. Now, does this make sense? Let's think about it. Okay, you guys are going to be moving out now, okay? See how Zara's moved here? The baddest corner of all gets out. Okay? Sorry, did you get this? Okay, so that probably means your calculator is messed up.
Number 77.
Okay, number 77. Number 77 is in the page over, and again it's about use a graphing utility to graph the two equations in the same viewing window. Use the table feature of the graphing utility. What do the graphs and tables suggest? Okay, so let's go write this down. Okay, y1 equals 2 ln 8 minus ln of x squared plus 1. This is one of them. Elim, are you ready to move out? Elim, are you ready to move out? Okay. So did you put this in your calculator properly?
I think so.
Well, let's go do it together then. So go clear that. So it's going to be 2. Shh. Kylie, you going to moving out now? What's up, man? Did you smoke this weekend? Is that why all that excitement? Minus ln x squared plus 1. So this is in y1. Okay. Did you get it correctly? Make sure you've got all the parentheses in the right place and so on. Okay. And then y2 is ln 64 divided by x squared plus 1, and then the quantity is squared as well. Actually, you can just go square that. So here comes y1. And to me, it looks like y2 and y1 are the same thing. Go take a look at table, okay? Second table. Okay, and the columns look identical. Well, it shouldn't be a surprise, should it? Why is it a surprise? Because you know if you were to take this 2 in here, the 8 would become 64, and this guy would become ln x squared plus 1 squared. And what does the minus sign then do? Yeah. So it shouldn't be a surprise that that's what it is. Okay? Right? Okay. Moving on to today's work then. Okay, 3.4. Solving exponential and log equations. So here are some rules from Algebra 0, okay? Rules from Algebra 0. Can you get those down? Because we're going to need to. Guys, all right? First example. First example. I'm not sure if that's going to happen from the beginning of chapter 4. I got to go into my YouTubes and see which is the oldest one that I have there. I'm not sure if I started out with chapter 4.1. So we need to solve for x in this equation here. Any suggestions? Any suggestions? Yeah. No, suggestions for what to do. Any good suggestions? How about that? Yeah. Elim and Udara, you guys are really messing with my head now, okay? See how I busted this group? The next busting regime is going to be outside because there's no space in here. That's a forbidden corner. And that's a forbidden seat because of you.
But I'm not.
So, all right, you guys got this. Here, you. Yeah, but whoa, pay attention. I just circled it, dude. That's the first step. Oh my God, you guys are such smokers, man. Oh. You may know the answer, but if you don't show me the work, then you don't get a point. Haha. Next one. All right, so it seems like you know the answer. Let's see you do it then. Kylie in the back corner there. Okay, so follow the hint, okay? Follow the hint. So it's telling you to rewrite to common base. What do you think is the common base between 8 and 4? 2. So does everybody understand this becomes that? And this guy becomes, so 3x equals, and x equals 2 over 3. Okay, is everybody okay? Eric, chill it, man. Eric, chill it. Pay attention. All right? Next one. Okay, I'm going to let you guys do this one. 3. This one now. Okay. What was that? That was snapping your neck. You are? Did you get it, Kylie? Elizabeth? Get it? Dean? Good job. Good job, Dean. Yes. Does everybody see that if you let ex, okay, you guys want to pay attention here, okay? If you let ex equal to a, then e to the 2x is a squared. Everybody see that? I'm just making it. I'm renaming it. See how I like to rename you Zara sometimes? I haven't done that? So un-Indian. I do that all the time. What? You call her? You call yourself Miriam?
No.
Oh. Okay. Does everybody see this? Kylie? You don't see this connections? Okay. Then this guy becomes a squared minus 3a plus 2 equals 0. Isn't this a quadratic? So then doesn't this become what Dean just told us? Right? And instead of a, it's going to be e to the x. This is actually what Dean got to. Dean went from there to there in one step, man. Woo! He's a beast. Okay? Now what do? Set it to 0. So you set that to 0, you get ex equals 2. And your answer for x would be? What the F? You take ln on both sides? Don't you remember you did some homework problems? Write something as an exponential function, write something as a log function. Right? Remember they are inverses of each other. Right? X equals ln 2, okay? And then if you set the other guy, ex minus 1 equal to 0, ex equals 1, x equals ln of 1, which is equal to 0. Right? Log of 1 to whatever base is always going to be 0. Guys got this? Okay, so it's a quadratic equation that's kind of disguised, okay? It's not quite looking like your normal quadratic that you've seen since 6th grade. All right? Okay. Okay, solving log equations now. So the previous one was solving exponential. So now we're going to be solving log equations. Okay, so this one here, I'm going to just move the ln 5 on the other side. Okay. Well, you don't really have to. We did this property here a little while back. Okay, give me a minute and I'll show you what property I'm talking about. If you go to the box, property number 2. So if it's telling you you've got the same basis, then x is going to be equal to y. So in here, okay, in here, x is going to be equal to 5. Okay? Right? So again, that's why I gave you those properties, because essentially we are using those to solve equations. Okay? Okay, you guys work on this one then. We talked about this many times now, okay? ln is, Ray, can you shut up? It's getting to be so annoying now, Ray. I think you're getting to be worse than this chart corner. That's going to be chart central there then. It's not even a corner now, okay? It's central. So remember, ln is log to the base e, okay? And then remember what I always do. I do something like this. And she even did that when she was trying to show you that x equals 0, x equals 1 was the asymptote. Okay? So you get x equals e to the negative 7. Okay? You guys with me on this? Okay, number 3. So you can do the same thing that I showed you earlier. You can go like this. So that's 625. Usman, what you doing there, boy? When I can see your phone in your hand, what are you doing with it? Calling your mom for help? x to the 4